We present PortraitSketch, an interactive drawing system that helps novices create aesthetically pleasing and recognizable face sketches. As the user traces over a source image, PortraitSketch automatically beautifies each stroke and applies geometric and parametric corrections based on the underlying image. This is the interface of our system. On the left is the canvas where the user traces over a source image. The user can change the transparency of the source image to make it more or less visible. On the right, the user has the option of loading an existing sketch with a target style to use as a reference image as he draws. Our system provides two drawing modes, outline and shading. Outline mode allows users to draw contours and details. Once the user completes a stroke, PortraitSketch automatically adjusts it towards good candidate edges based on the XDOG filter response and facial landmarks. In addition to changing the stroke geometry, we adjust its thickness and, in some cases, opacity to emphasize lines near good candidate edges and de-emphasize lines that are further away. Changing the level of assistance determines the amount of automatic adjustment. After creating some outlines, the user switches to shading mode. To help the user decide where to shade, we show a shading visualization. Regions that are more red should have darker shading. If the user enables interactive shading feedback, the red regions become lighter as the user adds an appropriate amount of shading. This feedback allows users to see which parts of the image may still require shading and guides them towards the right variations in shading density across the image. PortraitSketch automatically adjusts the placement of shading strokes to make them more evenly distributed. To make it easier for the user to fill large regions, PortraitSketch allows the user to shade with multiple strokes simultaneously. Note that the system automatically reduces the number of shading strokes in small shading areas for better control. Here, we compare the original unassisted strokes for this drawing with the automatically adjusted PortraitSketch result. Here are additional example drawing sessions using PortraitSketch. By changing the thickness of the outlines and shading brushes, it is easy to support a wide range of drawing styles. Finally, we show some results from our user study. These drawings were produced by novices using PortraitSketch with the medium assistance level. For comparison, we also show drawings by the same users without assistance. As a direct comparison, we here show the results of automatically beautifying the drawings that were drawn without assistance. Findings from our study suggest that users prefer the assisted drawing behavior of PortraitSketch to the unassisted version, and that they produce better drawings with the assistance. Thank you very much for watching.